picture. Who's here with me right now?
You.
So
good
excited
to
to have
here.
you
Thank you
this morning. We've got something very, very fun for you. These adorable pitchers. Oh my goodness. So we've got them in two different options for you. We have a larger size and then three little small sizes. But this is, let's go into our larger size first. The 1.5 quart size is what you're looking at right here for $17.98 or 3 easy payments of $5.99. We have some really cute options for you. We've got our sweet little Frankie here.
Little Frankie.
We've got the mummy.
So sweet.
What's her name?
Little Mummy.
Little Mummy.
Little Frankie, little Mummy.
Little Mummy.
And then Esmeralda is our black cat. Look
She's
at that.
Fun. She's
so fun.
She means business.
Yes.
Love that. And then we also have it available in a set of 3 minis at 18 ounces
And those you're not
each.
choosing, right? You're getting one of each.
Which
so
is
you're
fantastic.
getting, of course, Little Mummy, you're getting Little Frankie, and you're getting Esmeralda. So all 3 pitchers, 18 ounces each, or the large one, 1.5 quart.
Right.
And you can kind of have fun mixing and matching those.
And your set of 3 is $24.98 and 3 easy payments of $8.33. And because you're getting 3, it's literally $8.33 for one of these.
Think about gravy, think about hot sauce. It's our great stoneware, so you still can put these in the oven, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. Look what we did over here. Here's what I love. So right before we came out, did a little hot fudge sundae.
Okay.
So for perfect pour spout, of course, each and every time. Nice oversized helper handle here. And here's what we love about mini pitchers. These could be your bud vases if you wanted to. You, of course, could use these for gravies, for syrup, for all of those great things that you want to keep nice and warm or nice and cold. Come on. Oh,
there we go.
There we go. I actually have to pour it.
That's
I
my
have to
kind of
tip
pour
it.
of caramel. Absolutely.
Right? So again, I love the fact maybe it's for hot fudge sundaes and things like that with the kids, or maybe it's just for some of that gravy that you have here. Let me just reach around here and grab this for you. Sorry, guys. So here, this could be something thick like a mushroom gravy. This could be, you know, your gravy for your chickens, your turkeys, all of those great little sauces that you want to have.
So fun.
And then salad dressings.
Oh, you bet.
Actually, I switched it so you
That's
can put
okay,
that. No,
you
but
know.
you can't tell. See, white creamy just looks the same.
Absolutely. It's like a
Yeah,
poppy
there you
seed
go.
that we're
Look at
doing here.
Look, I love you.
Just gorgeous.
See? He's all in with me. Thank
So
you,
sweet.
Steve. Thank you.
The versatility of these.
And then, of course, we did something as cute as your warm maple syrup that you're able to go ahead and microwave ahead of time. So those are just your mini pitchers.
Adorable.
In the 3 little characters, remember, you don't have to choose.
Right.
Then in your bigger guys, because you can chill these ahead of time, maybe a little adult beverage. Maybe you want to do like a little sangria, or you want to do some of your, of course, mulled ciders, hot or cold.
Loves it.
Look how great this is. And I love the fact that, again, you could put little cute little flowers in here if you wanted to.
Oh, for sure.
Customize these and use these however you like, but there are great stoneware.
Just so
They're
cute.
But
I
they
mean,
are retiring. So I did want to just mention that. Whenever you see something on clearance from Temp-tations, it means we are retiring them. We will not do them again.
You heard it there. I mean, amazing.
Just saying.
I love your idea of bud vases. Like, this is so cute. I mean, get that like inexpensive bundle of grocery store flowers and then break it up into 3 different little moments. Decorate with these. Absolutely adorable. Or maybe it's 3 different gifts if you're going for the set of 3.
Cute. Yes.
Adorable. But this one for me is just, little Frankie, yes, please. Look how cute this is.
Aren't these amazing?
Adorable.
They're all individually hand painted. You have that beautiful glass glaze that runs around the edges.
Yes.
You have that nice oversized helper handle. So again, beautiful pour spout here. These could be batter bowls. You could put your pancake mix in here if you wanted to.
Awesome.
So many different fun ways to use these. If you've never really got on board with the whole like mini pitcher concept,
love it.
You'll use these a million different ways.
Absolutely. But not only do we have the Buffetti collection, let's talk about Winter Whimsy for a moment.
We happen to just tuck them right in the cabinet back here. So again, I love the fact that you have the big guys in either our gingerbread, our snowman, or our reindeer. And then you get the trio of the not choosing your choices there below. So you can also have these for your holiday fun as well.
This is so cute.
I can't. Look at the pink little cheeks, the beautiful white detail. Hello,
All
Wimbley.
3?
All 3. Like, how could you not do that?
Perfection.
Super fun. And I love what you were saying, right? Great gift if you're going to a housewarming gift or you're bringing something, instead of bringing that bottle of wine, how fun to bring like the mini pitchers. And you could put little flowers in there if you wanted to.
Oh,
love that idea.
For sure. It's adorable. I mean, I would say pick up both seasons while we have them because, as Tara said, they're going away.
Great point.
So, like, that is fantastic. And remember, $8.33 on Easy Pay for each of these, so sweet, so perfect. Maybe hot chocolate in these.
I
maybe
love that.
you pour the kids, like they have to give them their own little individual hot chocolates, or maybe it's adult beverages.
Yes.
Maybe everybody gets their cocktail, like when you go
I
to
love
fancy
that.
restaurants and you get like the sidecar with it.
I love a little sidecar.
Really
exactly.
cute.
I wasn't sure if you guys wanted me to close that or not.
You guys want, well, here you are. The winter whimsy is also an option.
Yes.
But these buffettis are just absolutely adorable. So these are, the buffetti collection is really, really flying right now. So remember, you have the option, the 1.5 quart pitcher in Esmeralda, Little Mummy, or Little Frankie for $17.98, 3 easy payments of $5.99, or the set of 3 where you're getting all 3 of Little Frankie, Esmeralda, and Little Mummy for $24.98 and 3 easy payments of $8.33. You're saving $11 off of that original QVC price. That was $36 for the collection, which was still at an amazing price. But the magic of Temp-tations is it's decorative and it's functional. So even if maybe you're not using it for gravy and sauces and whatnot, keep these on the counter because they're adorable.
100%. And what's so nice about these is you're not going to find these anywhere else, right? You're not going to be out in the market shopping and looking for these. When you think about Temp-tations, for 21 years, we've been sharing this incredible brand here. Thank you to everyone. And this is always something unique and different. But we are going to retire these pieces, not the characters. You'll still see them. You'll have plenty of fun with them. But these mini pitchers and the large pitcher, that 1.5 quart, all individually hand painted, beautiful detail, that great stoneware. Or again, the trio. And if your budget allows, for less than $50, you can get both home and mix and match these and have some fun, which is fantastic.
So cute.
So
Actually,
cute.
just looking at you doing that, like if you're going to use this as a vase, maybe tuck this into the corner when it's not the Halloween
great
time.
Idea.
Oh, there's
the,
an
the black
option
would
for
work
you.
for that as well.
It certainly
Esmeralda
would.
too.
Okay.
See that? Only you know
The magic.
that you have it there. The magic of Temp-tations.
So great. Well, don't forget, you have the option of the 1.5 quart pitcher or the set of 3. That pitcher is $17.98 and the trio $24.98. It is fantastic. Tara, thank you so much for joining me.
Oh my gosh, so good to be here, and I'll be back throughout the day, so stay tuned.
All right, more
All
Temp-tations
right.
throughout our fall day. Fantastic. Well, we've got these amazing little bags